The chapter Other Senses, Integration and Cognition introduces you to the other senses which could be used for multimodal interaction. And it helps in understanding of the principles of memory and motor systems. After having worked through the material of this chapter, you will know that the human skin is equipped with a set of slowly and rapidly adapting mechanoreceptors. The sensitivity of these mechanoreceptors is not evenly distributed along the skin. You will also know that there is a mutual influence of smell and taste senses. Finally, human memory is organized in terms of short-term and long-term memories, and muscle bundles equipped with sensors help the movement and the proprioception of movements.